So I'm going to come talk to you guys a little bit about digital marketing and how it has affected me, made us a decent amount of money, and let's see. So Coding Clays Media. So my name's Alex DeLuca, guys. I've been in the home improvement industry for the good part of 12 years now. Helped companies generate over $200 million in sales, which is a lot of money. You know, I've interviewed tens of thousands of people, hired hundreds, trained them all, and selling mainly impact windows, roofing, kitchen remodeling, all home improvement needs. Ever since the pandemic, basically, I kind of switched gears completely. You know, I started door-to-door teams. I had a team of about 70 people knocking on doors. Pandemic completely killed it. Had to kind of think out of the box on how we were gonna make things work. So the internet. I'm not the camera guy. I got a camera over there. I learned how to use it for short form content, how to gain traction, how to speak to a camera and have fun with it. And it's completely changed